method. Okay, so this is a polymorphism concept which we will also cover in after the videos of inheritance. Then virtual is also polymorphism, we need this one, and this keyword refers to the current object. So whenever you write this dot a and equal to a, so this a can have int a, let's say, is written in this class or this object. So this a will say this a is this one which is inside the class, and this a is from the next class. Okay, it can be from class b, and this is from class a. Okay, so this object is from this class. So this will indicate whatever written in that scope, we will say we will use this keyword when there are different handles with same name or something. Okay, so we will also see this one when we will go towards our object oriented programming and solving some of the codes for this one. Now, why we use oops? Reusable is the main thing. Then make test bench modular and scalable. We can have very complex TV than our Verilog, and easily extend existing code using inheritance. We can use multiple times whatever we are writing in our previous class. Supports constant randomization. So you have used that $u random, right? So we have a very proper and customized way of using random. We can also have our customized randomization control. We can have a control of randomization, we can say, in our SystemVerilog. Simplify, maintain, and large verification environment. So we can have a complex environment because today's chips are too much complex. So we need something for that. And we also created UVM for similar thing because SystemVerilog cannot handle that much of complex thing. Then we use UVM, which is more of a SV only, but using some methodology, means some process, or with, you can say some things are created to our SV, some updates are there to our SV. That methodology is UVM. Okay, it is only a SV but little bit different from for writing style, so it is called as methodology, not a language. Okay, this is methodology, not a language. So SV is important to learn, then you can easily learn about UVM. Now we have 4 pillars of OOPS, right, which we will cover in our next videos. So first is our encapsulation. So combining data method into single unit and controlling access to them is our encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but when you cover one thing with another. So A and B. So A is covered by B. So encapsulate, B is encapsulating B. So if you instance taken of B, you will not see A. So that A, because of encapsulation you cannot see, is abstraction. Okay, so these are connected things. So showing only the necessary functionality while hiding the implementation details. Okay, you can hide this A, and if you are seeing this A anyway, when you have one wrapper around A or any class,
hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
So for example, which we have taken previously, like class B and class, and inside that you have written class A and class. So this is wrapper outside our class A. So this is nothing but our encapsulation. Okay. So protects data and keeps related functionality together. Okay. Now we will see this when we are creating the test bench. Okay.